it's Pamela. In this tutorial, we're going to create a Valentine's greeting in Toonly.
Hey, and welcome to the official Doodly YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please click the like and subscribe button below. Now let's get straight to the video.
Last week we created a Valentine in Doodly. Well, today we'll create a similar greeting, but using Toonly. Toonly is a powerful animation software that lets you create professional-looking animations quickly and easily. It comes with lots of tools, characters, and props to help you get started right away. So you see here I have a very basic little greeting, and I'll show you how I created it, and then we're going to add some hearts to this. Maybe we'll have some hearts come flying out of the envelope, or just some animated hearts in the background. We shall see. So how did I create this part? I mean, this is very simple. You should have a basic understanding of how this works, but if not, I'm going to go ahead and show you. So let's start by adding a new scene, and we want a background. I had a solid white background, so I click backgrounds, and I just can scroll through, and it's one of the first ones here of the Toonly built-in backgrounds, solid. So you just drag it onto the canvas. Let's stretch it so it's a few seconds long. Let's make this an 8-second scene. And there we have it. And then I added a lady, so I had my character. So let's just scroll through. Here she is, the female professor, and I just placed her in the scene. And I made her a little larger. And I started with her in the idle mode, which is the default. Let's put it here at the beginning. And let's go ahead and click it. For her entrance, rather than the default bounce, which looks like this, boing, I used the hand which put her into the scene. So let's go to settings, and right here in effect, I'm gonna choose hand. I'm gonna choose the gear, and you can control it. And this is the default with the hand pinching and dropping her in, and I like that, but if you want, we can change it. Let's have it over here coming in from the side, and maybe we don't want to pinch, maybe just regular hand like so. And maybe we don't want this skin color, maybe we want a different skin color. Let's just darken it a tad. I want it moving this way from left to right. Let's just take a preview, and that's looking pretty good. And then we can also change a little bit of the hand here, different watches. Let's just use this one, that looks fine. And I like that, so let's go ahead and close that. And if we take a preview, there's the hand. Oop. Now, obviously 2 seconds is not long enough, so let's go ahead and add to this. And this time I want her saying hi, so I'm just going to scroll down. She says hi. And then I'm going to extend it to the end of the scene. So let's add a Valentine. So click Objects, and we can type in Valentine, and we get different ones. So let's use this one. And let's see, let's have it come in fairly early. And we'll just have it here for the entire scene. And that's looking good. And now we just need to add some text. So go over here to text. And I like Joy Together. We just say Valentine's Day or Happy Valentine's or something like that. And we'll change the color so that we have the pink and then whatever color we want. So go ahead and click it. Click the gear, and let's just say Happy Valentine's. And then over here for color 1, we don't want this blue, we want a pink or a red. So let's go over here. Let's try this pink. I think that's too pink. Let's try, so I like that. And I like the black contrast, so that's fine. And let's again stretch it. And let's click the gear icon one more time. You see these lighter purples? These are your fades. So I do want it to fade in, but I don't know if I want it to fade out or not. I'm going to go ahead and take duration out and just trim that off. So now it's just going to disappear. So we'll do the same with hearts. So out effect, I'm going to change it to instant. And then same with our lady, gear icon. Instead of bouncing out, I'm going to change that to instant. And then I'm going to click my little cursor over here, my playhead, I should say, and I want them all to be ending at the same time. So you just kind of line them up like that. And so now, let's take a look. And then she's going to wave, and then we can have music, we can have a little message, we could say something, and then they're all just going to end right there. So we've pretty much recreated this scene here. The only difference really is I used a different graphic here, and I had the hand come in on this side. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that one. And we'll just work with this one. What I would like to have happening is I'd like to have some hearts shooting out of the heart. So let's go back to objects. Type in heart. I have a few more choices here. Don't really love them all. I see that I added some of my own. All right, let's just use this one. And we'll bring this down a little bit. And we'll have this one come in. And then maybe we'll have it replace this. So it's going to get really large. And it's going to end here. And then we'll put a message in there like so. So let's just figure this out. I want this, I'm going to move it down here, and it's going to end right when everything else ends. And then where do I want it to start? I'll probably have it start. She'll say hi, and then we'll have the heart come on a second later. Let's just look at it real quick, and then we'll make some adjustments. So, happy Valentine's, and then here comes our big heart. Now we can have it just bounce in like that and cover everything else up, and I think that's fine. We certainly could do that. Or we could make a keyframe and have it grow in or something. We could also, let's just play with the different in effects. So I said grow. Well, Toonly does have a grow effect, so we might not even need to keyframe it. Let's just take a look. And there, it grows in from there. And I like that just fine. And then it's going away, and I don't really like that. So click it, go to settings, and out effect, instead of default, which is that bounce, we're just gonna do instant. And you'll see now it just stays there. And that's how it ends. We don't have any motion. Okay, we're getting there. So text, let's add some more text. And let's put a different style. Let's do slidey text. And click settings. And let's just type in love. Let's choose a color. I think just the black will be nice. So black. Let's move it. Love. And then I'm just going to go ahead and Control or Command C to copy, Control or Command V to paste. And I'm just going to move my copied version down. And now I can edit it. I don't have to change the color, you know, so I'm just being kind of lazy here. So Pam. Now, where do we want it? We want it after this. And now I'm just shortening everything so it kind of ends at the appropriate time. And I'll change the out duration in a moment. Let's just see if I have it timed right. Okay, so I don't. So that one comes in after that. So let's see. Love Pam. And let's just move this down a bit. Heart comes on, love Pam. Now, what about a little narration? I'm going to move my playhead to the beginning of the scene. And then you see the microphone. I've got the microphone and I have my little record button. So I'm just going to say what I need to say. So here we go. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Love, Pam. And then of course you hit the button again to stop it. And here you can see, here's my voice. This is where I'm saying Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. And then here's where I'm saying Love, Pam. And let's take a look. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Love, Pam. Now, right here where my text is coming, love, right there. This is where I'm saying love. I want that to match. So I'm just going to move everything down like so. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Love, Pam. Okay, that's good. So now we can add some music. So let's go ahead and choose audio. And we're going to search for some music. Toonly comes with a full library of royalty-free music that you can use. So I'm going to scroll through and I'm going to choose Fresh Start. And all I'm going to do is just drag and drop it into place. And I think I'm going to move it down so it starts right away. And then I'm going to right click and I'm going to choose Fade Out. And it's only one scene, so we don't really need to worry about playthrough. We'll turn it down to like 20% or so. And now it'll fade out nicely, and that is it. Let's take one final look and then we'll be done. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Love, Pam. And there you have it, a sweet and simple Valentine's greeting created in Toonly. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have fun creating your own animations with Toonly. Thanks for watching.